Okay, what's up, Facebook friends, and those of you know my YouTube account. There's the old Filipino girl, unit in PC76XL. We're getting about 14 volts to the back battery, sitting right next to the 667. And our newest addition to our little arsenal of testing equipment is the through line bird meter with a very expensive slug. Suckers get a lot of money for those. Anyway, thought I'd do a little test. 1,000-watt slug, that'll be the bottom scale. Unit in PC76XL, keying at just under a watt. Oh, sting my talkback technology. Oh, just another load of no digital audio radio mobile base station, and I got now.